Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, on this video, we're going to design a free website. So I'm going to teach you how to design a free website and what sites to actually use to design your website. So we'll be running through how to design a header, body, and a footer of your website, and how to import images into the page of your website, how to add pages to your website, and the rest. So join me as I take you through this amazing world of web designing without coding. So now we are going to log into Wix. So type Wix, Wix. So you have to log in. If you have not signed in before, you have to log into wix.com to be able to design your website, your free website. If you're signing up, you have to choose if you want to either use your email to sign up, or you want to use your Google accounts, or you want to use Facebook. For me, I'll use my Google account to sign up. So you just hold on so that it loads. So this is how it is after you have signed up. What are you creating? Who are you creating a website for? For yourself, your business, for a client, or so I'll choose for myself, my business. Okay, let's skip this. Let's skip this part. Let's go straight to the design. So skip this. So let me see. Let me call my website. So you give your website a name. Okay, offer services. Okay. So you come straight to design a website. So you can generate a website design for you. Say this is over here for Pursue Digital Skills. So you can actually generate a website for you, or you can go. Okay, so you can generate a website for you, or you can design it yourself from scratch. So I'm just going to click on continue with the design. So this the one they generated. So now let's go back and start from scratch like a plain template. So we're going to start from here. We're going to start from scratch, pick a template. Let's go to blank template. Like I said, we're starting from scratch to design our website. Okay, this is our black template. So you can see here, this is elements. You want to add any element. This is if you want to add sections, pages and menu, sites and designs. Then this one if you want to add apps to your site, your website. This one is my business. You want to add media, you want to add CMS. So that's it. So let's start. This is our template, our plain template. Here is the header. And if you this is the body, but if you come down here is the footer. So we want to let's change the header color. So come here, change header design. Okay, I'll be going for red. So let's choose red. Okay, I've done that. Now let's also go over to the footer. Let's change the color to maybe black. Black. Okay. So I've designed our header, I've designed our footer. Okay. And over here you have more options. You can change your header design, edit. Then here you can set your scrolling options. So I'm going to highlight it for you. So here you scroll and your header it vanishes, it goes inside. Here you scroll and your header still remains. You understand? Here you scroll and your header waits a while before it vanishes. While here as you scroll, your header follows. Okay. You may also decide to add an image for your background. So you come over here, click on change background. Then you scroll down. There are options for you to choose from. So there are lots of options for you to choose from. Let me go with this so that you see. Okay. You can see that our background has changed. You can see. So our website is having this background. Or for me, I'm not working with that, so I'll change it. Over here, this add button here. In case there's anything you want to import or you want to add to your website, so many things you can add. You can add an image, you can add a button, you can do decorations, you can add a box, gallery, maybe images you want to import from a gallery, menu, you want to add a contact, video, music, social, payment, blog. There's so many things you can add. So anything you want to import into your website, this is where you come and select them. Okay. So right now we'll be adding an image. If you have your logo, your brand logo, you can add it. For now, I've not designed a brand logo, so I'll just go for my image. So I'm going to import it. come over here, click on upload image. They can also generate AI images for you, or you can go to your social media handle to get image. But here I'm going to click on upload image to get my image from my system. Okay, so just hold on. So I'll click on upload from computer. Okay, I've uploaded my image. So this will stand as my brand logo for now. Okay, so this is my image. All I have to do is just to resize it. Just to resize it. To fit into this particular area. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So I've imported our logo, which I use an image for. So now I'm going to add text. Okay, let me add the text. So here I'm going to write, okay, here I'm going to write the name of the website. Okay, so I've written the name of the website. Gotten the name of my website. You can see it. So now let's see. Now I have to leave this to where I want it to be. So I'll just drag it up. Okay, let me see if I can reduce it more. Okay, I think it's okay this way. So I've gotten our image, I've gotten the name. Now the next thing we want to add to our header will be the menu. So come here to add elements. We look for menu, say here, click on it. So there are different types of menu. There are different designs for menu. The first, this. So I think I should go for which one? Let me go for this. Okay, so we can see it now. This is it. If you want to change the colors or you want to make some editing, just come here, go to designs, then come to customize designs. Okay, you can see. So now I want to want it to be bold. So we're going to click on B, bold. Okay, what else do we want? Okay, you may want to reduce the size. so that it can fit in well. Okay. Okay, so we have our menu now. Okay, so you can see it. This is our home. It's on blue because we're presently working on home. That's why it's on blue. So later on, as we go on, we'll be adding other pages to it. So this is the first page we have created, the home page. Understand? If you come to design, you're able to design your background, text, border, corner, shadows, and the rest. So by the time we're done, this is how it's going to look like. So we're presently on home page. So now let's go and add another page to it. So come here, pages, click on pages, click on add page. So it gives you options of different pages you can create. Give you options of different pages you can create. You have services page, project, contact, general, landing page, error page, store, booking, blogs, and the rest. Okay, so like I said, we are going to start. We are designing this our website from scratch. So we're going to click on blank page. No. Okay. Now let's rename our page. What name should we give our okay? Let's put about. So you come over here, you can see it now. So you can see about here. You can see about here. So what else? Let's add another page to it. Let's say something else. Something else. Okay. Let me add a blog page to it. So blog. So once I've written that, okay. So we have our home, about, and blog.